Hi, it's Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to not get your ad account banned. Now I see so many dropshippers lately are getting their ad account banned literally overnight, and not only that, they're actually getting banned from Facebook advertising completely. Facebook are tracking their IP address, their name, their bank details, and so they're having to go through loads of loopholes just to get back to advertising again. Now if this happens when you're scaling a product, it's literally the worst thing. You can lose out on so much money. So I'm going to show you exactly what not to do, and if you do get banned, how to basically start advertising again within minutes. Also, Facebook have enrolled a new feature about 6 months ago where they're actually asking customers to basically rate advertisers based on the products and services they brought from them. So if you're not giving tracking information or good customer service, then you're almost doomed and you're going to get banned. Also, you don't want to be like this dropshipper here and just get loads of really terrible reviews on Trustpilots from customers saying you're a scam and products not arrived. If you do this consistently, then you will get banned and probably banned for life. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through everything you need to know about getting your ad account banned and how to prevent it. Okay, so in this video, we're going to cover why exactly Facebook are banning people and the reasons behind this. I think this video is particularly important because once you start to scale a product, getting your ad account banned is literally the worst thing that can happen because it can cost you so much money, and you've worked so hard to find that winning product for then your ad account to just get banned as you start to scale. It's like the worst feeling ever. And so I'm going to show you how you can kind of the main causes as to why your ad account could get banned, so you can prevent this from happening, and going into more detail about the preventions that you can take for this, and also the cure. So if your ad account does get banned, exactly what to do as quickly as possible so you can get back into advertising and dropshipping as quickly as possible to save you a maximum amount of money. So although this video may not seem as kind of fun as some of the crazy product research videos that I've done recently, but this video is super important, probably one of the most important videos you're going to see on dropshipping, because although you may not know it now, particularly if you're new to dropshipping, you may think, oh, it don't matter, I won't get my ad account banned. But Facebook are really cracking down on dropshippers and so forth, particularly dropshippers, and making sure that the user experience on Facebook is as good as possible, because that's Facebook's main priority at the end of the day. So in this video, we're literally going to cover everything on kind of about getting your ad account banned and exactly what to do to prevent this and the cures and everything. So everything will be covered in this video. Okay, so one of the first causes of why your ad account could get banned is copying video content. Now, a lot of people think this is kind of the main reason as to why Facebook ban people and to why people's ad accounts get banned, and it's 100% not the case. Like, you're probably least likely to get your ad account banned from stealing video content compared to the other ways that I'm going to discuss in this video. But by all means, you can get your ad account banned if you do steal content, particularly if the original creator of that content sees your ad and sees that you've copied you and then reports your ad to Facebook. If you get too many reports, then your ad account will get banned. So I see a lot of dropshippers that basically completely copy the videos, especially from big stores or big media brand stores like Hygo Shop and Blue Crate, etc. And what they do is they don't even remove the logo or anything like that. They don't even make the video their own. Literally all they do is just download the video and then re-upload it to their page. Now I advise against this, and what I'm going to talk about in a bit is how you can create a video ad to basically minimize your chances of getting your ad account banned. Okay, so another major way how your ad account can get banned is violating Facebook terms. Now I advise to just basically go to the Facebook policies and terms in the customer help section and literally just read through all of it before starting to advertise, because it will clear things up and you'll know exactly what not to do and so you can basically prevent your ad account from being banned. So things like offensive content like racism or kind of implying that things like yellow teeth are bad, or things to do with obesity, or anything that's going to be offensive to the user, or anything that's going to reduce the user experience, because Facebook, the last thing they want is marketers annoying their users and basically reducing Facebook's user account. So Facebook will ban you if you keep trying to post ads which are offensive to the users. Another way that your ad account can get banned is bad customer experience. So things like lying about shipping time, not responding to customer emails, bad product quality, and so you're getting loads of like chargebacks and customers complaining, and you're getting loads of negative comments on your ads. This leads to low ad account and feedback score. So what this does over time, Facebook basically buckets your ad account as being a poor quality ad account, because you're giving basically the users a bad experience with the products and services you have to offer, and over time they'll eventually just ban you from using the platform because they see you as just kind of a waste and you're not adding any value. So make sure that you're monitoring this and that you're giving the customers the best possible experience. So I'm going to go more in depth about this later on in the video, where I'm going to show you how you can prevent this and actually get good customer experience. And this here is the main reason as to why your ad account get banned. Probably 90% of banned ad accounts, particularly in the dropshipping niche, is because people are trying to sell copyrighted products. So any products such as like Disney or Harry Potter related products, anything that's like branded, you should definitely not sell, because if the original creators of this basically see your ad, they will report to Facebook and they have way more power over you. So Facebook will just ban you overnight. So products like this, like a Batman product or Disney related products, anything even with pictures of these things on, are completely forbidden, and you will get banned from Facebook pretty quickly if you do this. So I'd avoid doing anything like this. Okay, so one of the ways you can prevent Facebook from banning your ad account is to create unique video ads. So it's still okay to steal content, but what you want to do is integrate that into your video ad and make it your own. So you want to kind of splice it up, mix it around, add in bits of your own content, your own images and so forth, add in text, make it look not like the original one that you copied, and this will massively reduce your chances of getting reported to Facebook and getting your ad account banned. You can also amend the metadata of any video file that you download from the internet, so Facebook's algorithm is less likely to notice that it's duplicated content, and you'll get better scores on your ads, and you're more likely to get lower CPMs. I have a video on my YouTube channel more in depth about this, on my video creation tutorial, where I go more in depth, so check that out. And another way to create unique video ads is to basically exclude Facebook page admins when doing your targeting. So what this does is it creates less ad exposure to other dropshippers and business owners and marketers online, people who are likely to report your ad for copied content and so forth. So if you exclude Facebook page admins in your targeting, what this does is basically means it won't serve your ads to anybody who's involved with dropshipping or owns a business on Facebook. So it's a great little hack you can use so people can't see what you're promoting. Okay, so another way to prevent your ad account from getting banned by Facebook is to ensure that you're selling low risk products. And what I mean by that is products which kind of are unlikely to break in the post. They're non-branded, so what we talked about earlier, they haven't got like Harry Potter or Disney theme on them. They're also not overly technical, so a lot of products from AliExpress, they can come with things like Chinese instructions, so if it's really technical and really hard to set up, it's likely that the customer may want to send it back or want a refund, and also less likely to break in the post. So ensure that you're selling products which kind of are low risk. So something like this is very simple, solves a problem, and it's unlikely for anything to really go wrong. It kind of just does what it says it does. There's nothing complicated about it. So another way is adding tracking info to all orders. Now Facebook and things like PayPal and Stripe are really cracking down on this. So if you're not giving your customers full tracking information through kind of Oberlo or Dropified, then you're much more likely to get banned, not only from Facebook but also from like payment providers like Stripe and PayPal. So please make sure you do this, because it just makes the customer experience and everything so much better, because they know exactly when their order is at all times, and it will just reduce a lot of customer queries and complaints, and so you'll have less customer service to do. So this is a great way. And then a final way to prevent Facebook from banning your ad account is to ensure ad copy, creative and product page congruency. And what I mean by this is that there's got to be a consistent flow, which means that what you're advertising, through your ad copy and your creative matches fully what you're actually selling on your product page. So you don't want to do anything like false advertisement or anything misleading, because Facebook are getting clever now and they can catch on to this. So if you're trying to scam people or trying to lie to people about what the product does or what colour the product is or the size of the product, and your product doesn't match what you display in your video ad, then it's very likely that your ad account will get banned, because Facebook are picking up on this and they're cracking down on it, because they just don't want their user experience to be reduced. So ensure that there's a consistent flow throughout your funnel and everything matches and is congruent with each other. Okay, so what to do if your ad account does get banned? So the best way, and what you should be doing now, is to have a backup ad account. So when your ad account does get banned, you have a backup to fall back on, and this is really good, especially if you like scaling a winner. You can quickly just transition to a new ad account and start running ads and continue making money. So if you have a backup ad account there ready, then you can quickly do this. So you should have a Facebook Business Manager, and within your Business Manager you should have your current ad account that you're running ads for, and then one backup ad account. And then what you want with this one backup ad account, you want to go in and create an ad for this backup account at just $1 per day and run it for 1 day per month, and then duplicate the ad set, and then just basically just change the date each month. So what will happen is this ad account will spend $1 or £1 per month. And what this does is it prevents Facebook from disabling the account, because if you go something like 30 to 60 days without using an ad account, Facebook just disable it and shut it down, because they see it as not active. So by spending $1 per month, you ensure that Facebook are not going to disable the account, because there's nothing worse than having backup ad accounts and then that you haven't used for ages and then coming to use them and they've all been disabled, because it can be hard then to create new ad accounts. So what you want to do is just be spending like £1 or $1 per month. Okay, and finally, what you want to be making sure of is that you're keeping review of this score here, the relevancy score, the ad relevancy score. So as you can see, these ad sets that I've just launched yesterday all have a 10 relevancy score so far. So that means I'll get low CPMs, and Facebook will be happy with the content that I'm basically marketing. So if you have a consistently high score, Facebook will book at your account as being a good kind of advertiser, and that you'll get lower CPMs and you're less likely to get your ad account disabled. So it's a great kind of thing to just basically keep your eye on, to make sure that it's at least 7, preferably like 8 or 9 or even 10, to get those low CPMs and not get your ad account banned. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope you found that valuable. Remember to go implement right away what I've said to prevent your ad account from getting banned and to save you a lot of heartache down the line. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, also leave a like and a comment down below. I'd appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video.